Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vikas Deshmukh, neuropsychiatrist and sexologist practicing in Vashi. Today I am here to discuss some myths about sex and sexual life. First myth is about masturbation. So most of the patient ask me, sir, is masturbation is wrong or is masturbation is hazardous to health or masturbation से weakness आता है क्या? So my answer is no to that. Masturbation is a healthy way to release your sexual tensions, provided you should do masturbation in a hygienic way. You should not harm your sexual parts during masturbation, and masturbation should not be only way of sexual satisfaction, or you should not prefer masturbation over sexual act. So second most common myth is sex cause weakness or decrease your physical stamina? मोस्ट ऑफ माई पेशेंट आस्क कि सर कुछ परफॉर्मेंस है और कुछ स्पोर्ट्स में परफॉर्मेंस है तो उससे पहले सेक्स नहीं करना चाहिए क्या, और कुछ दिन सेक्स नहीं करेंगे उससे पहले तो हमारा परफॉर्मेंस बढ़ जाएगा क्या, ताकत ज़्यादा रहेगी क्या? सो आंसर टू दिस इज़ नो. सेक्स डजंट डिक्रीज योर फिजिकल स्टेमिना और योर परफॉर्मेंस. ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी, लाइक एक्सरसाइज, sex can increase your stamina and sex is very good for your mental health as well as physical health. Few patients also ask, but sir, you feel weak or somewhat tired after sex. That's true. That's because after exercise also you can feel some weakness or some tiredness, but that tiredness or weakness only increase your further stamina but not make you weak as a person. So like exercise, after sex you can feel weakness, but that is a healthy weakness. Next question, next most common myth with my patients come to me is semen is where you should not lose your semen at all, or semen is a very precious thing in the world and you should preserve your semen, and doctor, please give me some medicines to preserve my semen. So my answer to that is, semen is a fluid like any body fluid in body. Majorly 2 to 3 glands secrete semen, seminal vesicles and prostate glands. So these glands work continuously 24/7 to produce semen, and this produced semen should go out of body within 2 to 3 days or 4 to 5 days. Okay, so there is nothing like that ki semen is a very healthy, semen is a very important for your body and precious for your body and you should not lose your semen. There are many misconceptions like एक बूंद धात का और 100 बूंद खून का is a completely false thing. So semen is like any other body secretion, वो बनता है तो बॉडी के बाहर निकलना चाहिए. So nothing wrong in losing your semen. Other misconception come with the size of your penis. Most of the patient ask me, sir, normal size क्या चाहिए और मुझे size बढ़ाने का कुछ दवा दो, so I can give pleasure to my wife. So keep one thing in your mind, only upper 1/3, that is 3 centimeter of female vagina is sensitive. So after that there are no sensation in vagina. So 3 सेंटीमीटर के ऊपर अगर आपका पेनिस रहा तो उससे वजाना में सेंसेशंस नहीं आते हैं, मतलब 3 सेंटीमीटर का जो पार्ट है वो आपको आपके फीमेल पार्टनर को फील ही नहीं होता है सेक्स के दौरान. सो देयर इज़ अ नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ more size gives more pleasure, and this is proven by many experiments. So last misconception I am going to talk about today is कि psycho education, sex education of child can ruin child's behavior, or child can be ruined by early sexual education. First thing I want to clear, sexual education of child doesn't mean teaching him act of sex. Sexual education of child when 3 to 4 year or 5 less than 5-year-old is like teaching what bad touch is, what good touch is, how to differentiate bad touch from good touch, because most common sexual abusers are near ones, or those are relatives of that child. So child should be aware what is good touch, what is bad touch, and how to prevent bad touch. Second thing, when little bit in preteen age, child should be aware about puberty changes in his body, like breast changes in female, menstrual cycle initiation in females, or in males there is pubic hairs or increase in penis size. Because if he or she is not aware of these changes will happen, then there will be certain trauma to that child. because what if suddenly some 13-year-old girl, she is not aware about the menstrual cycles and she suddenly starts bleeding outside. She will be very much fearful about that fact that she is bleeding from her private parts, and that will be traumatic for her. So sexual education is very important for teenage. Also, when post teenage or in teenage, practices about safe sex, preventive use of safe sex methods, as well as use of condom and proper sexual technique, use of proper sexual techniques are very important to avoid sexual transmitted diseases as well as unwanted pregnancies. For further queries and consultation, please contact me through lybrate.com. Thank you very much for